7 in our list is the Honda Motor. Honda Motor Company is a Japanese public multinational conglomerate corporation, primarily known as a manufacturer of automobiles, motorcycles and power equipment. The industry is conglomerate. It was founded on October 1946 but incorporated in 24 September 1948, which is 71 years ago. The founders are Soichiro Honda and Takeo Fujisawa. Headquarters is in Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Area served is worldwide. The country of origin is Japan. Unit sales is 5.36 million. Number of employees are 208,000. Honda has been the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer since 1959, reaching a production of 400 million by the end of 2019. Number 6 is the Ford, and I call it my second dream car. Ford is an American multinational automaker. The company sells automobiles and commercial vehicles under the Ford brand and most luxury cars under the Lincoln brand. The industry is automotive. It was founded on June 16, 1903, which is 170 years old. Yeah, very old. Founder is Henry Ford. Headquarters is Dearborn, Michigan, US. Area served is worldwide except some countries. Country of origin is USA. Unit sales is 6.25 million and number of employees are 202,000. Ford is the second largest US-based automaker and the sixth largest in the world based on 2015 vehicle production. Fifth in our list is the General Motors. General Motors Company, commonly referred to as General Motors, is an American multinational corporation. The company is the largest American automobile manufacturer and one of the world's largest. As of 2019, General Motors is ranked #13 on the Fortune 500 ranks of the largest United States corporation by total revenue. Amazing. Industry is automotive. It was founded on September 16, 1908, which is 111 years ago. Oh my god. The founder is William C. Burns. Headquarters is in Detroit, Michigan, US. Area served is worldwide. Country of origin is USA. Unit sales are 6.88 million and number of employees are 180,000. General Motors manufactures vehicles in 15 countries. Fourth in our list is the Hyundai Motor Group. The Hyundai Motor Company, commonly known as Hyundai Motors, is a South Korean multinational automotive manufacturer. Hyundai Motor Company was founded in 1967 and along with its 32.8% owned subsidiary Kia Motors and its 100% owned luxury subsidiary Genesis Motor altogether comprise the Hyundai Motor. The industry is automotive. It was founded on 29 December 1967, which is 52 years ago. The founder is Chung Zoo-young. Headquarters is in Seoul, South Korea. Area served is worldwide except for North Korea. Country of origin is South Korea. Unit sale is 7.28 million and number of employees are 110,000. Hyundai vehicles are sold in 193 countries through some 5,000 dealerships and showrooms. Third in the list is, guess what? Renault-Nissan Alliance. The alliance is a French-Japanese strategic partnership between the automobile manufacturer Renault and Nissan, which together sell more than 1 in 9 vehicles worldwide. The industry is automotive. It was founded on 27 March 1999, which is 21 years ago. The founders are Louis Switzer and Yoshikazu Hanawa. The headquarters is in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The country of origin is France, Japan. Unit cell is 10.6 million and number of employees are 4,50,000. As of December 2019, the Alliance is one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturing groups. The top-selling vehicles of the Alliance EV lineup are the Nissan Leaf and the Renault Zoe all-electric cars. Number 2 is taken by my dream car, which is Toyota. Toyota Motors, outsold by Volkswagen, still occurs second in the list. Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer. Toyota was the world's first automobile manufacturer to produce more than 10 million vehicles per year. The industry is automotive. It was founded on 28 August 1937, which is 82 years ago. The founder is Kiichiro Toyoda. Headquarters are in Toyota City, Japan. Area served is worldwide. Country of origin is Japan. Unit sales are 10.12 million and number of employees are 3,65,000. Toyota is the global market leader in sales of hybrid electric vehicles and one of the largest companies to encourage the mass market adoption of hybrid vehicles across the globe. Number 1 is the most record-breaking, that is Volkswagen. Record sales and strong recovery from Dieselgate scandal allowed Volkswagen to overtake the previous number 1 Toyota. Volkswagen, shortened to VW, is a German automaker. The industry is automotive. It was founded in 1937, that is 83 years ago. The founder is German Labor Front. Headquarters is in Wolfsburg, Germany. Area served is worldwide. Country of origin is France, Japan. Unit sales is 10.6 million with employees 4,50,000. It is the flagship mark of the Volkswagen Group, the largest automaker by worldwide sales in 2016 and 2017. The group's biggest market is in China, which delivers 40% of its sales and profit.